Help me to get into.
Share my screen. Please confirm once you see the screen. Is it visible? I hope the screen is visible now. Can you confirm, please? Hello?
Yeah, it's visible.
Ah, okay. So yesterday we have seen the overview, what you mean by ERP, what you mean by SAP, right? So ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning. That means in a simple language, if you imagine any organization or company, whichever object is associated with that company, so company wants to make more profit by using those objects. It can be machinery, it can be employees, it can be your products. Okay. So ERP-based softwares are available in the market. SAP is one of them. Okay. Now we have seen what are the why people use these ERP-based solutions to get overall control for their organization. That means I want to know what is going inside each department. Okay. If I talk about SAP, each department is equal to module. So sales department is sales and distribution module. Purchasing department is material management module. Finance is FICO, finance and controlling. So on. Put together all these departments, you form a company. Similarly, you will be taking training on SD. Respective consultant will take training on respective modules. Okay. Then we talked about ERP market, how it looks like. So SAP has around 60 plus modules with a market share of 60%. That means 60% of the time, most of the time, companies go for SAP software. There are other softwares also available in the market. SAP provides end-to-end solution. I'm not saying others don't provide, but SAP is in the market since past 50 years. They have a reputation. It's highly secured software. Okay. Um, it's a systems application products in data processing. Like I said, it's been here since 50 years. They started with R1 structure, slowly moved to R2 structure, then R3, ECC, HANA, and now S4 HANA. Now, these are the versions. Now, if you are using mobile, Android mobile, you will see versions. You have to update every time. So this is just like that. In SAP, the modules are classified into three parts. First is functional module. SD is a functional module. That means point and click application. Okay. So SAP has created this template. The template allows you to activate any company on this software. For example, if I take Reliance, Reliance wants to come onto SAP, then I can have multiple references already in SAP software. So I can, take a reference of those company and create Reliance on the software. So basically, as a sales consultant, your job will be to take the requirement from Reliance, understand how their business is from sales point of view, and create that department onto the SAP system. Okay, this will be your role. This is from the IT side. Okay, how about consulting side? Reliance doesn't know SAP, so you will explain them how your sales orders will work, how your quotations will work. So in sales, the main thing is order to cash. That means inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, and invoice. These are the core functionalities in SD. So Reliance will be interested in how my business will run on this software. And from sales point of view, you have to explain them. Okay, that includes different functionalities like pricing. We have special processes that I'm going to explain you or train you on. Then we have technical module. Just like you are going to take training on sales and distribution module, these guys will take training on technical modules. We call them developers. The modules are ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming, and BASIS. BASIS is responsible for installation of the system, giving authorization as per the department or module. There is new dimensional, customer relationship management, extended warehouse management, supply relationship management. These are business suites actually, business oriented solutions provided by SAP. You can learn these, any one of these, but first have basic knowledge of any functional module. Once you understand how the software works, then it gets easy. Right? Technology wise, like I said, R3 structure, from here SAP got recognized in the market. Okay. Programming ABAP they use. In the backend, they use Java and SQL. We are going to use transaction codes, okay? So I'm gonna quickly go to the system and show you how it works. Before that, let me just recall what we have seen yesterday in terms of syllabus. So this is the structure all in all for any company. So we are going to create a company on this software. So like I said yesterday also, you have to imagine a company, physical company, and then you will create such a company on this software. How to use the software, I'm going to train you on. I'm going to discuss everything. What is company code, what is plant, what is controlling area, sales organization, distribution channel, division, slowly. Don't worry about it. Just have to have understanding of a basic business. We are going to cover master data. That means customers, materials, pricing, and proof of documents. That is output master. Your forms, invoice receipt, order confirmation, or quotation receipts. In sales cycle is very important. It starts with inquiry. So basically, if customer wants anything from Reliance, then he will inquire. He can either go to website or call the salesperson that, do you have this product? If the person says yes, then he will ask, I'm going to need the list of all the products so that I can shortlist. So inquiry is generated. After that, customer says, okay, these are the 5 products. I need price with the quantity. Then we have to generate quotation. He will negotiate for sure. And then we create order. Once he finalize the quotation, we create sales order. After the sales order, we have to deliver the goods or material to the customer.
Sorry for interruption.
Yes.
And one slide, 2 slides are visible on the screen. One is showing very small.
Okay. You're not seeing sales cycle, is it?
No, I'm seeing 2 slides. I can't, when I'm trying to zoom the one which you are showing,
Hmm.
but slide only single one is getting zoomed, so I could not able to see.
Just a minute. Let me reshare. Okay. How about now?
Yeah, 2 slides are coming. One is UG slide is saying, and the next to that one is showing your presentation slide. I'm
Hmm.
trying to do your presentation slide that's zooming in that only that premises. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Not wholesale. Yeah.
After the sales order, we have to generate delivery. That means we have to issue the goods to the customer. These are some steps. As in when we comes to this topic, we will discuss this. Once the delivery is done, the goods are with the customer, we are going to have a billing. We have to invoice to the customer. So this is all in all in the sales cycle we have to perform. So first we are going to configure the system as per company. We will take one example. We will configure system. After that, we will test it, whether inquiry is working or not, quotation is working or not, everything, right? These are some documents which are already created in SAP system. Okay, IN represents inquiry. These are nomenclatures, basically. QT is quotation. Standard order, cash sales. So there is not just one type of order. There are multiple types like cash sales, normal sales order, then consignment is there, third party sales. So all these scenarios will be covered in the training. These are some sales documents. Now, each business process here consider as a document. 1, 2, 3. So inquiry, quotation, and order comes into sales document. Delivery documents are different. Billing documents are created as a different in SAP. These are some standard documents in SAP. That means processes. Then we have basic functions. In basic functions, we have pricing, we have partner determination, output determination, so many basic functionalities which you have to learn because business uses these functionalities so that you can consider them. From delivery point of view, shipping, we are going to learn in shipping, schedule line. Schedule line is nothing but schedule. It's a schedule of deliveries. That means information about delivery, dates and time. Just like sales document, we have delivery documents. These are some standard delivery documents already created. Similarly, we have billing and billing documents. In special processes, we are going to see third-party order, consignment, stock transfer, and integration. So integration is very important. Let me go back to the slide. This one. Now, once we create each department, we have to link those departments to each other. Why? Because it needs to communicate. So in real life, how it happens, if sales department gets inquiry or requirement from customer, then they check with the purchasing or manufacturing. Do we have the stock? They might call them, or if they're in the same place, they will ask. That is happening in real time. On the software, this needs to be connected. So this is where the integration comes. So I'm gonna add or link sales department with the purchasing, sales department with the logistics, sales department with the finance, so that they can communicate. So it should happen automatically. These arrows represents the integration. Okay. We'll discuss today how the projects are carried out in